Hey guys, morning. Just got done with the gym and one strength session, lower body. Did 100 deadlift, 5 sets, 3 reps each. Fucking amazing. And now I'm gonna do dance in 10 minutes. I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I slept at about 2 last night and then my sleep got disturbed during the day, then during the night. But then I woke up, man, because I wanted my evening free. I have to go to house class in the evening. So yeah, I'll be done in an hour. Then let's see how the rest of the day goes. 2 fucking hours in the gym, man. And my thyroid had increased during the period I was inactive, and I got 2 thyroid tests done, and it is high. But 3 months of gym, my thyroid is back to normal. And I fucking hate people thyroid hai, whatever hai. Like we are beautiful the way we are. You fucking not. You're fucking fat. Get your ass in shape. Hey guys, I came back from Delhi and I walked a bit. The show in House Khas got cancelled, and I went there, had a chicken roll, an egg chicken roll, which I found a place. He makes the roll for me in wheat, which I want since I decided to completely cut off maida now. Like today was the last day I had kulcha also. So I had the roll and I came back and I walked from Green Park Metro to House Khas, then from House Khas to Green Park Metro. So what was a bit of a walk. My 15,000 step target is already done. Now I'm at a place called Hauser in. This is the place. This is the terrace, and there's an open mic here. So I'm here. I hope this happens, and then Guftagu, I'm not sure will happen. We're checking the 2 tickets about half an hour back. If it happens, I'll go there. Otherwise, I'll go and sleep on time because I'm fucking sleepy. Oh man, I'm damn sleepy because कल रात को मुझे नींद ही नहीं आई और मैं 2 बजे सोया, but then I woke up at 3:30. Then I was up till about 4, then 4:30. I don't know when did I sleep and when did I get up. Then at gym at 7 and 10:30, which I did. So let's see how the rest couple of hours go. But I think I should be able to sleep on time because even this pod that I had at 10:30, the guy has cancelled it for some reason. He's like आज कैंसिल है. हमने दिया था आपको, लेकिन कहा था कि ज़िंदगी के सर्कमस्टांसेस चेंज हो सकते हैं तो कैंसिल हो सकता है, तो कैंसिल हो गया. सो वो कैंसिल हो गया. या दिस इज़ गुड लोकेशन. I might want to live here. I need to figure out what do they charge as monthly rent for one room. Let's see. I'll ask them. Hey guys, this is a fucking day review. I think I'm irritated for a host of reasons right now, which I can't quite specify. I think our emotions are like a fucking tsunami, right? If they're going in a positive direction, they keep going in a positive direction. But when they start going in a negative direction, then even one thing triggers the second thing triggers the third. So I think that's where I am right now. There's a bunch of stuff that's irritating me because probably things are not moving that fast. But that's okay. I guess that's where I am right now. So yeah. I went to Delhi, the show got cancelled, so I had 2 shows. In Gurgaon I did spots at 2 shows. The audience is okay. They were tough to make laugh, but I did make them laugh, so I'm kind of satisfied with that but it's kind of like it's an ironical situation because you don't want these people who don't laugh. Why the fuck are they not laughing? Why the fuck are they sitting in a comedy show not laughing? Why are they analyzing the jokes? You're not supposed to analyze the jokes, you're supposed to enjoy the jokes. Okay, fine. So that was the day. The gym was good in the morning. Tomorrow I have gym in the evening, but today I wanted my evening free, so I went in the morning. So that's good. Tomorrow I'm doing boxing. I'm fine. I'm feeling alright. But I guess I'm a little irritated, but that's okay. Happens sometimes. So that'll be the day review. That's the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Do you guys realize how fucked up nostalgia is? Like, I was at Jaipur Literature Festival several years back, and Gulzar Saab was there. And I remember he said that nostalgia अच्छी जगह है, पर रहने लायक नहीं. But over the years, I've kind of meditated on that quote. And whenever I've been somewhere where I've been long time in the past and I have history there, I've come to the realization कि nostalgia अच्छी जगह भी नहीं है. Because गया हुआ सुख भी दुख देता है,
गया हुआ दुख भी दुख देता है। सो नॉस्टैल्जिया दुख ही देता है बस। नॉस्टैल्जिया अच्छी जगह नहीं है।